the Nylabone teething puppy chew that I bought from Amazon. And I got this because I'm bringing a puppy home next week and I want to preserve my furniture and my shoes as much as possible. So like any good pup parent, I bought a lot of teething rings. So this has some soft silicone bristles, as you can see here, to help massage the gums and the teeth. And it does have this cloth as well for any sucking or chewing on the cloth that could help soothe the gum areas and to self-soothe the puppy. What you want to do is soak all of this in water and then put it in the freezer. So that's going to help soothe and attract the puppy to use it and bite it, and the cold is going to help soothe some more. So we're going to try this out and hopefully it works great.